Update! We don't show face again. Oh, the update we dey today. You know, say we don't dey do local level for some time before. Now I want just cheap us, just carry us, go international, come back again. Just breeze in, breeze out. You know. So before we continue, may we watch this video. May we see as it dey be. Okay. When I see those things where they fly, when I see the aeroplane, Olivia Ray, Boeing 787-9, a Virgin Atlantic be that, correct. When I see as the, when I see, na snow be that too, na snow be that too. When I see as he don't design, he don't put foundation, and Mary Kay, he go soon rub on top the aeroplane now. Make the thing sharp, pro, even for ground, everywhere soft. Wetin dey happen for there? Na snow. Some of us waiting for this side, we never jam snow. We go just dey pray say, I wan see snow. I wan make I go place where snow dey fall. This one, that one. Who no go? No. Until when you jam am, then you go know say, hey, sometimes water dey pass garri o. Anyways, na the kind weather wey some of our brothers them, uncles them, aunties them, they hustle for inside be that o. Some of us we go dey inside house, we go think say our body go just the AC wey we put for inside room, we just put am for 20 degrees, just 20 degrees. Our body don dey do like this. We don run go use duvet cover ourselves. Don dey look for how to heat themselves up, warm body. Just imagine yourself say you dey inside this kind weather. You know wetin go touch you. For the ones where shout out for our brothers and sisters where they hustle for that area, for Europe, America, Asia, where they hustle for that area, where their weather dey like this. Una do well, una dey try, sha. I don't feel am once, body tell me. So the update wey dey now be say, una don ever ask una sef say, what if for area say we get this kind weather? Una think say we go dey aeroplane go dey fly with wetin we dey experience for here? Well, maybe you say na like this area dey, maybe our people for don do something make everywhere just gel, so that flights then go dey move, dey go and all that. As you see that aeroplane, no be say e don ground am o, no be say e don spoil o. As e dey like that, e fit dey board passengers from that bridge like that o. I think say e no go take off. E go take off. Where? This one no even. This one na small. Na my for the snow level now. This one be like say na for Europe. Time wey they just jam all those ones wey they dey for Canada dem and Russia dem, Ukraine dem. So, but anyways, the koko be say this plane like this, una think say e go take off like this with this snow wey dey fall, abi e get something wey dey go do am? Because na snow dey fall now and icing don dey take place on top the aeroplane. All right, so based on aeroplane, and I say as this one dey, everywhere smooth, sharp, smooth everywhere, every part of am. But that snow don cover most part of am like this now. So for that aeroplane, for this aeroplane wey dey this video to take off, get something wey they call wetin de-icing and anti-icing. Now wetin they go run on top the aeroplane before the thing go take off. All right, so stay tuned. This one na chapter 1. Chapter 2 they call this one na icing, and just form wey be the snow na im carry and come. Sometimes snow fit no dey fall o, e fit be freezing rain Fit be rain, but the rain as e dey drop on top the aeroplane like this, na so e dey come. If you no look well, you no go see am o. You no go know say something dey on top the aeroplane. But na the job of the captain, and the flight deck crew dem, make dem know wetin dey happen for their aeroplane. If not, that aeroplane no fit lift up for ground. No matter as e run, run, dey wait for rotation speed to reach, e no fit reach rotation speed. Alright? So na so this is what we call wetin icing. E dey always dey happen. Sometimes you fit no see the snow like I been talk before. Freezing rain fit cause am. Once the temperature don dey reduce, go down, and e be say you come dey see like ice on top the fuselage or the wings, captain go begin reason something. Go begin reason how to do the icing. If na frost na that one wey dey like something wey dey for inside fridge. Inside fridge, you go see those small small ice wey dey just hang for the side of the freezer, and for the roof top of the freezer or something like that. Na im be frost. All those ones, once they see am, anything wey be dent on top of this, wey no go allow for the smooth flow of air wey dey move on top the wing, make e just dey move smoothly, make no obstruction dey. Because any obstruction wey dey, na problem be that. Alright? So this one na for the icing. Make una stay tuned. We go yarn about wetin the icing and the anti-icing. Na that one na im be the main koko. But the only thing be say e no too dey happen for this our area. Na our brothers and our sisters dem wey dey for abroad, na dem go dey witness am well well. Alright? So stay tuned. If you get further questions wey you wan ask on top this topic, wey be icing and snowing, or whatever wey go cause obstruction or any particle or contamination on top the body of the aeroplane, drop am under the wetin comment section, so that we go attack, so that we go reason am, know how we go take help you and answer your question. Still remain your humble captain, Captain Callistus. I love you all, and I can never love you for less. For now, stay tuned. The icing dey come, and the icing dey follow. Make we explain. Make all of us go know. We go know how wetin dey happen for aviation and how to fly aeroplane shortly.